Hi everyone, this is my project 1. This project is about a book review website where the user can register providing a username and password. So let's do that. This automatically login. Here, clicking here, we can just log out and then log in again. This is the home page where we can see some recommended books in this section. And below here, we can search for a book by typing its ISBN number, title, or author. So let's search one. This search found 95 books, where the list is below here. We can view a book by clicking its title. Let's click Faded. This is the book page where we can see the details and reviews. And also, we can send a review for this book. So let's just put a review here. And rating. So this is my review, and I can't send another one. So let's back to homepage. And we can get a JSON response in this link API and the ISBN number of a book. So this is the JSON response. And if I put an ISBN number that isn't in the database, we get this page. ISBN not found. So just go back to home. And this is my project 1. Thanks.